I think the right thing is a symbiosis between, again, that CIO and CDO type perspective, seeing data as an asset, and yet still working on having to secure it. I think one of the things in the IT and data science type domain, if you can imagine a joint partnership from those two worldviews, is creating a test bed environments, because you're going to need to de-risk these technologies by testing them extensively. Algorithms will do funny things at times, and the data may lead you to places that you didn't expect. But the issue isn't to come into those failures or those things that may seem silly or spectacularly dangerous in terms of their outcomes. However, it's to learn and to say, okay, what can we learn from that and go on and really operate in a more agile like environment. But again, creating that symbiosis between data and IT, and then creating these environments to be able to test these approaches extensively, all around a framework that is problem-centric. Defining the problem is often one of the arguably the most important thing up front. What are you trying to do? How would this new AI approach perhaps try and solve this? And then how can we test it so that we have assurance in that? Because ultimately the next, I think, phase of artificial intelligence research really has to do with explainability. Do I know why something came out that way? What my inputs were, what my outputs are. As an engineer, we want to get rid of black boxes. We need explainability, and I think that's where this symbiosis between the two worlds needs to happen, and it needs to express itself in a research development environment that creates these safe spaces for useful knowledge building failure, if you will.